Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today. I would like to know an insight from you that what do you think that a school should, how a school should adopt new things and what all the new things will be to enhance the learner's experience?
Thank you very much. First of all, the teacher should be trained as per the new curriculum. This session was very informative. There were few educators who spoke very well about the new system of education, and slowly and gradually we should adopt the new pattern and obsolete the primitive methods. Thank you.
So do you think adopting digital learning solutions would be a good way to go about it?
Yeah, definitely, to compete in the international level, we have to adapt new things. Of course, not neglecting our culture, moral values, and etc.
All right. Thank you so much, sir.